Hi, my name is Hilary Wong, and I'm a librarian here at SUNY Cortland, and I'm the liaison to the STEM fields and the sciences that live in Bowers, so biology, chemistry, geology, physics. So I'm your go-to person in those majors and in those classes if you are doing library research and you get stuck. If you're having trouble figuring out how to cite something, how to find good sources, how to tell if a source is a viable one, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you. So today for this sort of Core 101 tour, traditionally we would be having you in the library, right? In the building, and you'd be running around on a scavenger hunt. We're doing things a little differently this time. This is a tutorial that you're going to work through on your own. So you can click on each of the tabs along the side. Please read through everything. And then when you're done, there's a little activity at the bottom. So there's a link that says click here, click there, and it's sort of like an escape room, a virtual escape room, except instead of as an escape room, you're escaping the library. So it's kind of cute and fun. I hope you enjoy it. You actually need to do that and click submit so that your instructor can know that you've actually done it. I can get him all of your names. All right. So have fun with this, and please, if there's one thing to take away from this, is to reach out to me if you have any questions. My contact info is a couple of places on here. There's a little friendly librarian box on the front page, and then there's I don't know if it says contact me or contact us at the end, the tab that has all my contact information. So please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.